Ready, start. It is not in dispute and highlighted that the second respondent is a sitting member of parliament facing several criminal cases. Stop. It is also not in dispute that most of the cases ended in acquittal for want of proper witnesses or pending trial. Stop. As observed by the High Court merely on the basis of criminal antecedents, the claim of the second respondent cannot be rejected. Stop. In other words, it is the duty of the court to find out the role of the accused in the case in which he has been charged and other circumstances such as possibility of fleeing away from the jurisdiction of the court, etc. Full stop. While considering each bail petition of the accused with a criminal history, it throws an onerous responsibility upon the courts to act judiciously with reasonableness, because arbitrariness is the antithesis of law. Stop. The criminal history must be of cases where the accused was convicted, including the suspended sentences and all pending first information reports wherein the bail petitioner stands arraigned as an accused. Stop. In reckoning the number of cases as criminal history, the prosecutions resulting in acquittal or discharge, or when courts quashed the FIR, the prosecution stands withdrawn or prosecution failed. A closure report cannot be concluded. Stop. Although crime is to be despised and not the criminal, yet for a recidivist the contours of a playing field are marshy and graver, the criminal history slushier, the puddles. Stop. As per paragraph 7 of the bail petition, the petitioner is in custody since 24/12/2021. Stop. Given the nature of allegations and injuries inflicted by the petitioner, pre-trial custody of more than 1 year and 1 month, coupled with the other factors peculiar to this case, there would be no justifiability for further pre-trial incarceration at this stage, subject to the compliance of terms and conditions mentioned in this order. Stop. Even a prima facie perusal of paragraphs 3 and 4 of the bail petition needs consideration for bail. Stop. In the reverse page of personal bond, the petitioner shall mention her or his permanent address along with the phone number, preferably that number which is linked with the Aadhaar, and email if any. Stop. In case of any change in the above particulars, the petitioner shall immediately and not later than 30 days from such modification intimate about the change to the concerned police station and the concerned court. Full stop.